This device is ideal gift for mommies who's working hard at home while taking care of the babies simultaneously. But before that, kindly hit that button below, like and subscribe. Please don't forget to leave your comments. This is TIVONAS CV50 1080p HD camera and a 5 inches monitor. You may purchase this device through their website. So if you are in Europe, then eu.annke.com. And for outside Europe, then ANNKE.com is their website. So the device design will matter upon the location. For US, they're offering this model. And since in Europe, or EU, then they sent to me this design. This device is designed for mommies to still monitor the baby while taking care of the house or doing work-at-home job. Just a reminder that the bracket needs to be purchased separately. But don't worry, if you have an existing tripod, then you may attach the device into it. Let's do an unboxing first. To start with is this user manual with different language translation. Then this EU certification sticker. Then this 2 pieces 5 volt and 2 ampere USB travel adapter. And of course, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Make sure you're using the exact charging cable of each devices, since each cable has corresponding label. And then this 5-inch screen monitor with built-in rechargeable 5,000 mAh battery capacity, which it weighs only 265 grams. So let's take an overview of the monitor. On the upper button is the menu/return back button. Next to it is the zooming function. Next is the pan and tilt button. Then the microphone button. Then the light indicator for the monitor status and the mic. And then the light for the sound level, which is to check the sound level that is being captured by the camera and the monitor. And later, I will demonstrate how these buttons works. On this side is the Type-C charging port. On the top is the power button. At the back is the speaker. And then the support stand, then a hole for a reset button. And of course, the antenna. And most importantly is this, TIVONAS CV50 1080p HD camera with 2-way voice and audio capabilities. So let's take an overview of the device. On the front side is the microphone with Vox function, so when the baby is awake, then you will be notified or hear instantly. A camera lens which can capture 1080p resolution and a 360-degree pan and tilt for better viewing angle with 4 times zooming function. And then the night vision mode sensor, which it will automatically change the status if the camera can't capture a light. At the back is the antenna. That serves also as a temperature sensor, which it is a great function to monitor always the conditioned temperature in the surrounding area. Then the speaker, then down of it is the USB Type-C power port. Then the binding button in case it requires to bind the camera and the monitor. Just a reminder that the camera is not powered by battery, so a direct connection into a power supply is a must. And in case that power plug isn't that as accessible, then it can be plugged in into a power bank since this ANNKE TIVONAS CV50 camera is powered by a 5 volts and 2 ampere power supply. Then let's have an overview of this ANNKE TIVONAS CV50 baby monitor interface. On the top is the power button. To turn on, then do long press. Do the same thing when turning off the device. On the upper part in the screen is the status indication settings. To start is the signal or connection status, on which the camera and the monitor has a limit distance. So this is your indicator if you're no longer at the range of signal transmission between the monitor and the camera. Next is camera status, which you are viewing the current camera. Then the alarm icon, which means that the feeding alarm is on. And of course, the date and the time. And the voice-operated exchange, or Vox status, if you set in the settings H for high, L for low. And the temperature status. It will appear as F if it is in Fahrenheit, and C is for Celsius, together with the recommended temperature status. Lastly, the battery status of the monitor, which, in my test, the battery is excellent in a day of usage, since this has 5,000 mAh battery capacity. So the main purpose of this ANNKE TIVONAS CV50 baby monitor is to help our mommies to monitor the baby while taking care of the house or doing a work-at-home job. And a 1080p camera resolution is so useful enough to monitor the baby. A reminder that the screen monitor is not an OLED display, nor has a touchscreen function, which for me isn't a big deal, which on the other hand, all the necessary functions that this device can offer is very useful. Honestly, as I test this ANNKE TIVONAS CV50, I may say ANNKE did a great job to come up with this kind of device, which the functions and the interface are very easy to navigate. And one more reminder that this device doesn't support a Wi-Fi connectivity, means connecting into an internet, nor supports an app. Also, never let the monitor get too close to the camera, which it can cause an audio feedback like screeching, howling, or high-pitched sound. This can zoom in up to 2 times, and to zoom in, then press this button with a plus sign logo. And since the babies rely only with mommy's voice, so in the instances that the baby is awake and crying, then you may talk to your baby by pressing this button. And as you can see, the icon on the screen will appear, means that you may communicate with your baby as soon as you arrive in his or her location. So to go into menu settings, then press this button on the top so that the menu settings functions on the lower part will appear. Then this is your voice volume icon. To set up the volume, press the OK button. Then the level icon will appear, and to increase or decrease the volume, then press the arrow sign buttons forward or backwards. Then press OK to set. And to return back, then press the button on the top. And to select the next settings, then just press the forward. Or you may go backwards, then press the backward button. So you may adjust the screen brightness by selecting this icon. Do the same thing what you did on the previous menu. Press the OK button to select, and to return back, press the button on the top. And the camera settings, which you may add one more camera. For a hassle-free and no more worries of transferring the camera whenever the baby will be placed in different locations, or in case you have 2 babies that is needed to be monitored. And in the monitor, you can see both video by splitting 2 screen in just 1 monitor. And if the camera viewing angle is an upside-down position, then just select 180 degrees to correct the camera position. And a reminder, do not delete all camera. Please add new one before deleting. Then your Vox sensitivity function, which settings at high so that you will be alerted when the baby is crying. Through Vox function, the moment that the baby is crying or a commotion around the area, it will wake up the screen when it is in power-saving mode and be alerted. And the lullabies music, a set of different music in which it helps the baby to fall asleep. Though some babies don't like music, so in that case, you may turn off the music instead. So in order for the baby to have his or her milk on time, then sets this feeding time alarm on. Well, it will depend upon how old the baby is. For 1-month-old, you may set every 1 to 3 hours so the baby can have their milk 8 to 12 times per day. Then for 2 to 4 months old, then set it every 3 to 4 hours, so 6 to 8 times per day, and so forth. Just make sure the time and the date in the monitor is set on the current time. Otherwise, it will give you a confusing schedule on which is the proper time to the baby needed to take their milk. And one more thing. Once the alarm is reached, a beep you will heard. Press the OK button to stop. Otherwise, it will keep on alarming for 1 minute, then beeping again for 30 seconds, and stop after alerted for 5 times. Lastly, the settings, which it has temperature choices, either changing to Fahrenheit for cold weather or to Celsius in summer weather. At the same time setting the temperature alarm, if the room temperature falls outside the desired temperature range, then the monitor will keep on beeping. And then, battery savings function, or EcoPro settings, which it helps the monitor to be used on a longer hours. Or keep it on always. And then the date, time, and the language. And of course, the reset button in case of troubleshooting. Just a reminder, if you encounter like this issue, just turn off the monitor and unplug the camera. Either the camera isn't turned on yet, or the camera and the monitor is unbind. So then turn on the monitor and plug in the camera again. Then everything will be okay. Once again, don't forget to visit ANNKE's website for Around EU, then www.eu.annke.com, and outside EU, just www.annke.com. And that's it. If you reach until this video, then thank you so much. Don't forget to leave your comments and please do like and subscribe as well. Bye!